Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we have to switch to the video one. So let's tap on the video next to it, and since it is highlighted in this bluish color, and if you can see the red dot inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now, basically, we can take a look at this upper bar. We do not have to unroll it, but we will do it. Basically, this option, the second from the right and the one right in the middle, is responsible for the resolution, the ratio, and so on. But let me unroll it. It will be much easier and more comfortable to show it to you. And as I said, right here we've got the resolution. Here we've got the three different options from which we can choose. Currently, we've got the FHD option applied. As you can see, it was mentioned right here. And I also said that you don't have to unroll it. You can change it just by tapping on it. As you can see, it will be changed to 8K or the 4K. But after unrolling, you can basically just tap on the option you'd like to use. And if it will be highlighted, it means that your device will use it from now on. So let me tap on 8K. And as you can see, from now on, it is highlighted. So my device will record the videos in chosen resolution. What's more, we've got two different also options which are connected, let's say, to the resolution, to the quality. We've got the aspect ratio. We've got two different options to choose from, 9:16 and the full option, which will simply elongate the view, let's say, to the full screen, and I highly recommend to use this one. And here we've got the frame rate, so we've got the 30 frames per second and 60 frames per second. Basically, it works the same. Just tap on the option, and since it is highlighted, it means that it is set. As you can see, I was on the 8K and I wanted to set 60 frames per second, but it is impossible. It will be immediately changed to the 4K. So basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.